time to clean old Blue again. It's a blizzard outside. And a blizzard is the culmination of heavy falling snow and winds. And actually, to be a blizzard and not just a really heavy snowfall, the wind is an important factor that has to be added into the whole entire process. That gives me a chance to get some editing done. And to be completely honest, Crystal's at work. I kind of don't have anyone to talk to. I tried talking to Rennie for a little bit. Hi, you want to hang out with me? Maybe we can play or something. You're busy. I can see you're busy. I'll leave you to it. So for today, I'm going to work on this vlog episode you're gonna get to watch. On snowy days, we do stuff like clean our helicopter. Let's see. Once we have a nice shiny belly, and we know we're good to go. Blue was greasy, but now I can kind of see myself in here. The right lighting, actually, I could almost just shoot my whole vlog this way. Alright. So the reason you clean an aircraft is, of course, well, you want it to look presentable, right? It is nice, but when you have a nice, clean, shiny surface, it can tell you a story. If there's a leak, you're gonna see it a lot easier on an aircraft that you've been keeping clean than if you just let it get dirty. Then you don't know if it's an old leak or something else going on. So you gotta keep your aircraft clean. That's what we're doing with old Blue here. Thing is though, she's got a lot of grease on her belly, but I guess that's normal. That's what I'm told anyway. It does fly pretty good though, so fine, keep greasy. You know what, guys? Come here with me. I want to show you something. This little mechanism right here is a lifesaver. It's called a wire strike. That's what Bo told me it's called. As the helicopter is flying forward with its nose just slightly down, if we were to fly in a condition where maybe we accidentally ran into, say, a power line, which of course doesn't happen with Bo because he's such a great pilot and he does a lot of pre-flighting, he's very aware. But let's just say that all of our planning and something pops up that we didn't plan for, like a power line across a road that just got put up but hadn't been charted yet. The idea is that the power line should come right in through here and get cut. And this little nut, this little kind of nape right here, and then bye-bye power line should protect us and keep us from getting caught up in it. There's another one on top. Wire strike. You know what? Also, cleaning your aircraft gives you a chance to get intimate with it, you know? See every little rivet, find little cracks, chipped paint, buckles, dents, anything that doesn't look right, you're gonna see when you're in the middle of cleaning your aircraft. Keep it clean, y'alls. Clean bird is a happy bird. We're done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep it going now. Cleared left. All right. Door closed and locked. This is some footage we got from a totally different day.
Seatbelt secured right.
Seatbelts down, lap belts nice and tight. I don't want anybody to be confused. We did not fly in the actual storm. And this is one of those weird camera illusions. It makes it look like we're really close to the clouds above us, but actually we were at minimum all times 500 feet or more below the clouds.
This afternoon, there were still 32,000 people without power.
2 feet, I believe that was out at DIA. Here downtown, we are looking at just about a foot.
Excel says 4 hours is about the maximum amount of time people went without power.
You know, sometimes when I'm watching the news, I look at all my old coworkers and watch them just suffering outside in that crazy snow to bring you the coverage for the news that you guys need. And I feel bad for them, you know, and I just kind of think, do I miss it? Do I want to go back out there in that blowing snow?
3, 2, 1.